This is an X. This is the X fetcher. And I'm hoping he will be obedient. Oh, he wants it now. Alright, you ready? Oh, bad throw. Very bad throw. You see it, buddy? Come on, bring it, bring it. Come on. Good boy. What a good boy. You bringing that back. It was a lousy throw on my part. Alright, you ready? See the X? Ready? Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Where is it? Come on, buddy. You're so slow. Are you camera shy? Look at you with that X in your mouth. Good boy. What a good boy. You are such a good boy. I can't even take it. So good boy. Good boy. Alright, you have one more in you? Come on. Ready? Come on, Oliver. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Boy, he's being very lazy today. Usually he runs it back. He must be tired. Okay. That'll be enough for now. Very good job. Very good job. Okay, you lay down. Take a rest. Oh, she ain't taking a rest. That's a terrible thing. All right, buddy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. So long. Very cute. Camera shy, too. All right, bye-bye.